announcements have been made by Indian shooter Arjun Baboota. He's revealed that he hasn't received any benefit from the Punjab government despite all the success that he has achieved in his career. Now, in the ongoing Paris Olympic, Baboota almost had his fingers on an Olympic medal only to let the nerves get the better of him. While standing on the cusp of making history, Baboota fell short and finished fourth in the men's 10-meter air rifle event after enduring a heartbreaking loss. This is the statement that is coming from the shooter. He went on to say that the chief ministers of different states cheered and met the shooters from their respective states who participated in the Olympics, but nothing was done by the Punjab chief minister and state sports ministers for the shooters from the state. They did not even welcome us at the airport. If they blame for the decline in sports in Punjab, the ministers of Punjab have a big role to play in it. Have a look at the reactions.
मैं कहूँगा क्योंकि सारे जो अच्छे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हैं या तो वो स्टेट बदल गए हैं या फिर वो देश ही बदल गए हैं.
My colleague Amandeep joins us live on the broadcast. Amandeep, a very strong statement made by our Indian shooter. He says that there's lack of support from the Punjab government. Nobody from the government came to receive them at the airport. No help has been given to them in the last few years. Take us through more details.
Well, absolutely, Akansha. These are the big allegations made by Olympic shooter Arjun Baboota. And even he has not accused only Maan government, he has also accused Congress government earlier before 2022. And in fact, he went on to say that it was a job promised to him by Maan government. And then Sports Minister Gurmeet Singh Meet here, who is now Lok Sabha Member of Parliament. And in fact, but after writing repeated communications to the state government regarding his job, no job has been given. There is no such security for the sports persons. These are the allegations of shooter Arjun Baboota against Maan government, and in fact there was no facilitation. And even he is very much disappointed when he just closely finished the fourth position in the Olympic in 10-meter pistol, and in fact nobody from the side of the government came to welcome him. Neither chief minister nor any minister met him when he returned back to his home after finishing a very close position. So somewhere down the line, Akansha, this actually is hitting the motivation level of the shooters and the sports persons when the state governments are not actually facilitating them, not providing them all kind of facilities to boost their confidence level to indulge into more and more competitions, and in fact hitting them and by not providing the job securities at the level of state. So a big moment of disappointment for this shooter and big allegations against the Maan government. But now let's wait and watch, Akansha, if anybody from the side of government is going to meet Arjun Baboota regarding his job security and other facility after this statement, or the situation will sustain same.
Well, and absolutely, it clearly goes on to show how demoralized the Indian shooter is. He says that no help has come from the Punjab government. Nobody came to receive him at the airport. Let's again listen in to the reaction that came from Arjun Baboota.
सभी स्टेट्स के सीएम ने उनको चेयर अप किया था, मिले थे एंड ऑल द बेस्ट करा था. तो हम पंजाब वालों को कुछ भी नहीं करा, ना ही स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर ने, ना ही सीएम ने. और खेल के भी आए हैं, अगर अच्छा हुआ बुरा हुआ, बाकी सीएम और स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर वहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट पे खड़े हुए थे, और पंजाब के कहीं भी कुछ नहीं, कोई भी दिखता. तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर वो ब्लेम करते हैं कि हमारे पंजाब से स्पोर्ट्स ख़त्म हो रही है, तो योगदान हमारे मंत्रियों का भी है, मैं कहूँगा, क्योंकि सारे जो अच्छे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हैं या तो वो स्टेट बदल गए हैं या फिर वो देश ही बदल गए हैं.
So sad states of affair as far as Punjab is concerned. Thanking Amandeep for all the inputs. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.